They're located at St. Andrew Street and Spadina Avenue. Is in Chinatown. This restaurant is Po Fung Vietnamese restaurant. Then we are turning left on the St. Andrew Street. There you have a house with the paintings on the wall on the outside. Then it goes all the way down, and you can see how it looks to St. Andrew. This is how is this street over here. It's pretty good street. Chinese people might enjoy this place, feeling at home. Supposed to be much better than all the countries, Canada, so you have to come here to find it out a little bit more. Ethnic cleansing and so on.